You know the drill. It's Friday night. You are sitting on her couch. You are listening to her complain about the guy she went on a date with last night. He was rude. He didn't pay for dinner. He hasn't texted her back. And you sit there, nodding, offering sympathy, saying, "You deserve better." You think, if she just realized that I am right here, that I treat her like a queen, everything would be perfect. You help her move furniture. You fix her Wi-Fi. You are her emotional anchor. You are her bestie. But when you try to make a move, when you try to cross that invisible line, she looks at you with a mixture of confusion and pity. I don't want to ruin our friendship. I love you like a brother. And just like that, you are cast back into the abyss. You are the orbiter. You are the satellite circling a planet you will never land on. Brother, you are in the friend zone not because you are too nice. You are in the friend zone because you are dishonest. We need to have a brutal conversation about why you are here. You think you are being a good guy by waiting in the wings. You think patience is a virtue. But to a woman, your behavior is deceptive. You are pretending to be a platonic friend when you actually have a romantic agenda. You are a salesman hiding his product behind his back, hoping the customer will guess what you're selling. She knows you like her. Women are intuitive, but she keeps you in the friend zone because you allow it. You accept the scraps of her attention because you are terrified of losing her completely. The friend zone is a prison of your own making. The door is unlocked. You just have to be willing to walk out of it. Here is the step-by-step guide to escaping the friend zone, destroying the nice guy avatar, and re-entering the dating market as a man of value. The diagnosis. How you got here. Before we fix it, we have to understand the mechanics. Women categorize men into two distinct boxes within the first few minutes of meeting them. Box 1. Potential mate. Sexual, romantic. Box 2. Provider, safety, platonic, utility. You are in box 2. Why? Because you led with safety. You led with agreeableness. You neutered yourself. You hid your sexuality to make her feel comfortable. You suppressed your masculine edge to avoid conflict. You became a safe space. And sexual attraction does not grow in a safe space. It grows in tension. It grows in polarity. By being her therapist, her mover, and her yes man, you removed all the tension. You became a utility. You are as sexually exciting as a lamp. Useful, reliable, but she doesn't fantasize about the lamp. To get out, you have to smash the lamp. You have to destroy the old dynamic completely. You cannot transition slowly. You need a hard reset. Step 1. The attention starvation. The void. Right now, you are giving her free relationship benefits without the relationship. You give her validation. You give her time. You give her emotional support. Why would she buy the cow when she gets the milk for free? You must cut the supply. Immediately. Stop texting her good morning. Stop liking her Instagram stories. Stop answering her calls to listen to her vent. You need to create a vacuum. When she texts you to complain about her day, you reply, "Hey, I'm busy with work. Talk later." And then you don't talk later. You have to shock her system. She is used to you being an endless fountain of validation. When that fountain dries up, she will panic. She will realize that your attention is not a right. It is a privilege. This isn't about being mean. It is about reclaiming your resources. Your time and energy are finite. Stop investing them in a bad stock. Step 2. Kill the nice guy persona. The man she friend-zoned is the man who agrees with everything she says. Do you like this movie? Yeah, sure. Do you want to go here? Whatever you want. You have to kill that guy. Start disagreeing. Start having opinions. Start being polarizing. If she says something you think is stupid, say, "I disagree. That makes no sense." If she wants to go to a restaurant you hate, say, "No, that place sucks. We're going here." You need to show her that you have a spine. Attraction requires friction. If you are smooth and frictionless, there is no spark. When you start pushing back, she might get annoyed at first. Good. Annoyance is an emotion. Boredom is the enemy. Show her that you are not afraid of losing her approval. A man who doesn't need her approval is a man she can respect. Step 3. Sexualize the narrative. The biggest mistake friend-zoned men make is keeping the conversation PG. You talk about work. You talk about the weather. You talk about her friends. You are talking like a eunuch. You must reintroduce sexuality into the dynamic. You have to break the brother frame. When you see her, look her up and down. Smirk. You look like trouble today. That dress is dangerous. Touch her. Not a friendly hug. A hand on the small of her back. A lingering touch on the arm. You have to signal that you are a biological male and she is a biological female. If she recoils, if she says, "You, stop," good, now you know. You have your answer. The rejection is better than the purgatory of the friend zone. But often, she won't recoil. She will be shocked, but intrigued. She has never seen this side of you. She didn't know the lamp had teeth. Step 4. The pre-selection trigger. Nothing kills the friend zone faster than competition. Right now, she thinks she is the only woman in your world. She thinks you are sitting on a shelf waiting for her to pick you up. You need to show her that you are in demand. Start dating other women, and do not hide it. Don't rub it in her face, but don't lie about it. If she asks what you did this weekend, say, "I had a drink with this girl I met." Watch her face. Watch the jealousy spike. Women want what other women want. It is mate copying. If other women find you attractive, her subconscious reevaluates you. Wait, if she likes him, maybe I missed something. Suddenly, you aren't the safe backup plan. You are a scarce resource that is being stolen by another woman. This creates urgency. Step 5. The ultimatum, the walk away. This is the nuclear option. This is the step most men are too cowardly to take. Eventually, you have to make your move. You have to state your intent. You invite her out. You make it clear it's a date. You escalate. If she gives you the line, "I just see you as a friend," you do not accept it. You do not say, "Okay, I understand. Let's just be friends." That is the death sentence. You look her in the eye and you say, "I have enough friends. I'm not interested in being your friend. I'm interested in you romantically. If you don't feel the same way, that's fine. But I can't hang out with you anymore." And then, and this is the most important part, you walk away. You withdraw your attention 100%. You delete her number. You unfollow her. You disappear. This is the only move that can save you. Why? Because it shows her that you have the highest level of self-respect. It shows her that you are not willing to settle for a bad deal. You are negotiating. She offered friendship. You want romance. The deal didn't go through. So you walk away from the table. The aftermath. What happens next? There are 2 outcomes. Outcome A, she lets you go. This hurts, but it is a victory. You have freed yourself from a parasite. You have freed up your time and money to find a woman who actually desires you. You have regained your dignity. You are no longer an orbiter. Outcome B, she panics and chases. This happens more often than you think. When you walk away, she realizes what she has lost. She misses the validation. She misses the connection. But now, she respects you. She realizes you are a man of value. She might reach out a week later. "I miss you. Do not fold. I miss you too. But like I said, I'm not interested in just being friends." If she comes back on your terms. She comes back knowing that you are a romantic partner, not a utility. The psychology of staying out. Once you escape either with her or with a new woman, you must ensure you never fall back in. The friend zone is not a place. It is a mindset. It is the mindset of putting a woman above yourself. To stay out, you must maintain frame. You must always be willing to lose the relationship. The moment you become afraid to lose her, you start compromising. You start apologizing. You start sliding back into the nice guy role. You must maintain your edge. Keep your mission first. Keep your hobbies. Keep your other friends. Never let a woman become the sole source of your happiness. A woman wants to be a guest in your exciting life, not the host of your boring one. The lie of, "But I value the friendship." You will try to talk yourself out of this. You will say, but we have such a good connection, I don't want to throw it away. Stop lying to yourself. If she was 300 pounds and had a beard, would you be valuing the friendship? No. You are friends with her because she is beautiful and you want to sleep with her. Your friendship is a lie. It is a waiting room. By walking away, you are actually being honest for the first time. You are honoring your own desires. And ironically, by being willing to destroy the friendship, you become the kind of man she wants to date. Conclusion. The rebirth. The friend zone is a cocoon. Inside it, you are soft, mushy, and unformed. To get out, you have to break the shell. It is painful. It requires you to destroy the dynamic you have built. But outside the cocoon is the real world. A world where you are respected. A world where you are desired. You cannot be the nice guy and the lover at the same time. You have to choose. Kill the nice guy. Bury the orbiter. Stop settling for crumbs when you deserve the feast. The next time she calls you to complain about Chad, don't answer. Let Chad deal with it. You have a date with a woman who treats you like a king. Or better yet, you have a date with your own mission. Walk away. It is the strongest step you will ever take.